There's a new place to play at Sesame Place in San Diego. The water theme park today opened the all new Count's Splash Castle. We got a preview of this all new play area, courtesy this walk around video supplied by the park. In it, we can get a look at the many different play elements that are available in the all new Count's Splash Castle and the multi-levels that see that water slide right there, the multi-levels on which kids can play on this new attraction. This is double the size of the previous play area that was on this space, but even so, it is designed with many of the small Sesame Street fans who visit the park in mind. You'll find 111 different play elements here, including 3 giant tipping buckets that together can dump over 1,300 gallons of water on everyone playing below. It is built with the whole family in mind, and the structure includes 4 water slides, including a variety of other attractions: soakers, flow pipes, hose jets, spray jets, water shooters, water curtains, tipping troughs, spinning sliding buckets, all the stuff that you'll find on a well-appointed spray ground. And I know that a lot of kids, too, appreciate the opportunity to kind of get up high, see over the shoulders of all those adults that are normally blocking their way, and enjoy the views from up here atop the Count's Splash Castle. For the latest on ticket deals to Sesame Place San Diego, visit us on themeparkinsider.com. Click that park tickets link, and we'll see what kind of discounts we can get you for the park.